Hello, my name is Geir Pollen and I have written this book, Volga, a Russian Journey. There are more than 2.8 million rivers in Russia. Some of them in the distant Siberia, though still within the borders of the Russian Federation, are both longer and carry more water than Volga. But only Volga is Matushka, a near and dear mother to the Russian people. The poet Yevgeny Yevtushenko expresses this idea of familiarity in his own way. We are Russians, we are children of the Volga. For us, her slow waves, heavy as boulders, are full of meaning. If we imagine history being not a chronological line, but a geometric space where everything takes place simultaneously, it is easy to understand why Yevtushenko pays homage to Volga as a mother. All the crucial events in the development of today's Russia can be observed from a boat deck on this river. Two examples. Here in the courtyard of Uglitch, a sudden death, or was it a murder, puts an end to the first Tsar dynasty, the Rurikids, named after the Scandinavian Viking Rurik. And here in a monastery outside the city of Kostroma, the Romanov dynasty was born. And taking a 400 years leap up to December 2017, here at an automobile plant in Nizhny Novgorod, Vladimir Putin announced what everybody had guessed for months, not to say years. He would run, as he called it, for a fourth presidency term. I arrived in Russia on a dark, rainy September evening 2007 to teach Norwegian at the St. Petersburg State University, and left the country on a bitter, windy day in March 2021, fleeing a pack of COVID-19 viruses. That's at least how I felt. In this long period, 7 years in St. Petersburg and then 5 years in Moscow, I visited one or more places along the Volga every year, from the spring on the Valdai Hills to the mouth in the Caspian Sea, 3,685 kilometers downstream. From all these trips, this book was born. Hence, the singular form in the subheading, A Russian Journey, is a literary manipulation. In the real life, many trips, by boat and by train, by bus and by taxi, by plane and on foot, meet or melt in Volga, a Russian journey. I don't remember exactly when I first understood that all this traveling on and along the Volga called for a book. In retrospect, it seems to me that it all happened organically, like a person's nails or hair grow longer. Separately, flickering past on the way down the river, impressions and experiences are no more than glimpses of geography, anthropology, ethnography, topography, history, etc. To become a journey, they need words, a language. In short, let's go.